Since there's a pressure on the Nifty market, perhaps I would say that two stocks that look good for shorting one is LIC fund. LIC looks like it can slide down to levels closer to 190 zones. I would have a stop about 204 on LIC and short the stock. The second stock that looks good to me for shorting purposes is Power Finance. PFC is looking weak and can slide down to levels closer to 122. Possible even 120 in the days to come. Just have a stop about the levels of 132 on Power Finance and trade short. So far today, two shorting ideas. One is LIC Housing Finance and other is Power Finance. Both finance stocks. Nifty futures is looking weak to me. I think I would have a stop about 6120, 6130 zones and trade the short side. There's a very good chance it can slide down to levels closer to 6000, maybe 5980. Nifty short.
Intraday trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy ONGC in the cash segment at 280 levels. Holding these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 278, expecting to book profits at 285 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Tata Global at 161 levels in the cash segment, holding these long positions with the stop loss at 159 and expecting to book profits at 164 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to short October futures of Reliance Capital at 337 levels, holding these shorts with a stop loss at 340, expecting to book profits at 331 or end of the session, whichever comes first. A word of caution here, being a weekend session, volatility is likely to be high and there might be a bias towards unwinding of long positions, at least in the last hour of trade, and therefore traders should initiate all fresh positions on curtailed exposure levels.
The first idea is Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma has broken out of a very big weekly triangle, and these kind of patterns take a very, very long time to get created. So I think this breakout holds a lot of value. Till the time it is trading above 190, 194 band, or Aurobindo Pharma has a strong chance to rally towards 230 to 240 levels. So I think at levels closer to 203, 205, it's a very good buy. A stop loss below 194 should suffice. If it holds, I think the stock will rally towards 225 to 240. So Aurobindo Pharma is one stock which should outperform the index and possibly its peers also in the coming few weeks.
I would be extremely stock specific and you can play the market both sides. As I said, I have a sell in a Cipla, stop loss of 421, target of 402. The second call is a buy in a small cap or a mid cap stock Jyoti Structures, stop loss of 20.50, target of 26.50. And for FNO traders, I would recommend a buy in JP Associates October futures with a day or two outlook, stop loss of 43.50, target of 48.